Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Here is Rema Healthy Way, and I want to say a very big thank you to anybody who has been a support to this channel. Guys, you're welcome back. So today in this video I am going to make some fried plantains with gizzard. Alright, so first of all I am going to use lemon juice to cleanse my gizzard very neatly. After this, I am going to leave my gizzard in the lemon juice for about 5 to 8 minutes and then wash it again with clean water. After that, I am also going to add some lemon juice and also some ginger and also some seasonings with cubes and onions, okay, because I am going to steam this, and I'm going to add salt, of course, and also some curry and some pepper because I want it hot. I'm not going to add water to this because I don't need water at this point. Then I'm going to cover it and leave it for some time. After 3 minutes, this is how it's going, and I know it's really going well, and there is liquids already. That's the reason I don't need water. Now I'm going to prep my other ingredients, which is my tomatoes, some capsicums, and onion. And then I'm going to take care of my ripe plantains later. So guys, if you're still watching me at this time and you are still not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on that subscribe button. It's free. You want to turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. Also, you are free to watch any other video on this channel, and I'll be glad to see your comments in the comment section down below. If you really enjoy what I'm doing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.
Making Ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting, smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie. Doing natural things, doing natural things.
So guys, my gizzard is ready to fry. So what I'm going to do is to put off my heat. So now I'm going to cut my plantains into my desirable sizes. So if you're doing this at home, you can choose to cut it any size that you want, but not too big, okay? Because this is such a cutie recipe and you don't want it to look anyhow. Then I'm going to add some oil to my pan and also a little bit of onions to give my gizzard a good taste and a good smell. So now it's time to take my gizzards off my oil. After this, I am going to add some little oil to it and also fry my plantains with the same oil that I used to fry my gizzard. So my fried plantains almost done, and the next I'm going to do is to begin the recipe. So in my frying pan, I'm adding some oil, and I'm also adding some chopped onions. going to allow this for about a minute and then add my tomatoes to it. After adding my chopped tomatoes, what I'm going to do is to add some powdered pepper, I'm adding some seasoning and also some cube. A little bit of curry is not a bad idea. Then I'm making sure that I stir it and add some salt to it. After, I am going to cover this and leave it for about 2 minutes and come back again. So after 2 minutes, I'm going to add my fried gizzards, and at this point, I don't want to add my capsicums and the rest so fast because I don't need it to go soft. I'm always like this. I don't want my vegetables to go too soft when I'm cooking with vegetables anyway. So the next I'm going to do is to add my fried plantains to it. And then we know the recipe is almost done. So after adding my fried plantains, I'm going to leave it for 1 minute and off my heat. After, I'm adding my capsicums, and I'm going to also cover it after adding it. My heat is already off, as I said. And then after some minutes, about a minute or two, I am going to serve. So this is how it looks. It's ready to enjoy. So guys, I really appreciate you for being here today. Thank you very much. May God richly bless you. Thank you for always coming here to support this channel. Your support is really, really appreciated. So until I come your way again next time, stay safe, be good, drink enough water, and have enough rest. Don't get yourself into trouble. So here is where my healthy way is. Bye.